Howdy, y'all. Welcome back. We are standing in front of the aquatic studio. And, I say let's go into the fantasy studio. Now. Right. I'm definitely gonna have to do some backtracking. Maybe a little game fact looking up or something. Because I don't remember. Oh, God. Oh, I hate this kind of crap. Kind of stuff makes me glad I never played Battletoads, because I would have been awful. Of course, I think everyone was awful at that. I can't believe I just did that. Alright, cool. Hey. And then I just walked down through the clouds and killed myself. Good job, me. Okay. Let's go, Dot. Team Dot. Excuse me. Oh, well, I'm gonna miss those. Whew. Oh, no. Knew the moment I hit the button. I jumped too early. Oh, Yakko. It's up to you, team leader. Time for you to do more than yak. I need you to lead me to victory. Okay, well then. Oh, good. Oh, that was brilliant on me. Well, shoot. Wasn't quite prepared for that thing to be that close. Dumb buzzards. Well. Alright. Guess we'll, continue. We'll continue running through the, Sky Sanctuary, apparently. Oh, no. That was dumb. I'm gonna have to continue. Wow. Okay. That's kind of dumb, but alright. No wonder they give you 500 continues, because you can go through them like they're freaking... I don't know. Something you go through fast. Like, me through gum, or, crackhead through Coke. I actually pick up a little speed when I jump. Kind of noticed. Oh, good. Oh, here we go. Hey, alright. Welcome back, guys. Just in time for, Okay. Well. I don't remember where everything is. Okay, cool. There we go. There's some things. I don't know what the point of that was, but yay. I guess. Oh, not Ralph. Ralph. Why Ralph? I feel like there was something that way, though. I'm gonna jump to my doom. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe there isn't anything up there. I don't know. Dang it, I forget. Okay, calm down, Anvil. Jeez. God, that thing's glitching the damn game. Calm down. Whew. Here we go. Yay. Woohoo. Do-do-do-do. Again, with a terrible climbing animation. Nope, ruined one. Wasted one anyway. Okay, that's where I just was, isn't it? Stop that. Ooh, that was close. Oh, hey. Aw, man, not Ralph again. Oh, cool. There we go. Yay, something I can use. All right. Sweet. Oh. Oh, cool. So I could collect a whole lot of stuff. Stay away from me. I want to live free, Ralph. Oh. That was weird. That wasn't there a second ago, was it? Dang it. Okay, those are... Oh, nice. Alright, we're kind of racking them up now. Okay, well... Oh, good. Dum 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 da dum da da. Hey, it's the king. Hi, king. Okay, yeah. Got him. It's kind of hard to tell because the stupid sprites move whenever the dumb anvil hits. I don't remember it being that glitchy. Like, it's weird. I think I got him. I don't remember how many times I have to hit him. Yay! Explode, you bastard. Let's see. Nice. Well. Yeah! Oops, left my phone on. There's a password right there that I should use, maybe later. Okay, cool. Well, we still have a little time, so let's, okay, so I got everything in that one, huh? Well, let's hop into the Adventure Studio for a sec. Let's get through a stage here. It's a beautiful set. Love that background. calm down. Oh, angry monkey. Calm down, angry monkey. Why is everything trying to kill me? Oh, hey, she loves the dogs, though. Loves Rita and Runt. Okay, I remember this. Yeah, I could use something to attack him with. That was a little close. Okay, a little close. This thing's got some hairy knuckles. This thing's close to dying, right? Yep. Yay! That's sad for that little guy. I don't remember where anything is in this level. Oh, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Mistakes were made. Oh, sweet. It's nice of the game to give me some invincibility there whenever I go into three-kid mode. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, these fall. Sweet! Finding me some scenes. Got a lady on my back. I think I'm supposed to. Oh well, I don't know. Oh, goodbye, guys. Oh, easy there. Okay. Well. Alright, well, that's a good place to end right here. Will I survive the Adventure Zone? Find out next time. I'll catch you on the flip side. J-Mac out.